DSI ReMTA Mineral Trioxide Aggregate Repair Cement is a bioactive powder and liquid system. It consists of an extremely fine, radiopaque inorganic powder of tricalcium and decalcium silicate, which sets with a water-based gel. DSI ReMTA could be used for treatment of root canal perforations, Furcation caused iatrogenically or by caries lesion, Periapical surgery with reverse filling, Pulp Capping, Pulpotomy, Apexogenesis, Apexification. Bioactive properties to promote healing. Ultrafine-grained powder and proprietary liquid medium for smooth consistency. Resist washout. Sets quickly. Adaptable mixing ratio based on a procedure. Get the safe and controlled delivery of MTA cement with your desired consistency. ReMTA White Repair Cement is designed to mix quickly, smoothly, and easily for a variety of procedures. Use the guide to define the ratio of powder to liquid to obtain the consistency desired. Examples of the use of a thin consistency include root resorption, Apexification, and apical plug. Use a thick consistency for pulp capping, pulp chamber perforation, and pulpotomy. A putty consistency is delivered by a spatula and can be used for the root end filling. Whatever consistency you need, you can be sure that ReMTA will be the solution, effective and easy to deliver accurately. Brought to you by DSI.